Hey there guys, welcome back to Coptalks. Today's video is going to be about some survival foods I came across, specifically Omeals. So I was kind of cruising around the internet here looking to update some of my emergency rations that I keep around the house, and I am a true believer in try it before you buy it. So I bought a couple of these. These aren't even samples, these are full size, but I only bought individuals of each so I could kind of give them a try out and see if they'd even be worth buying in bulk. Now, these are about $11 and $12 a piece, which is expensive for a single serve item, in my opinion. But they do last for about 3 years, and they have pretty good reviews, so I'm going to go ahead and give them a shot. So I got two here, hash brown potatoes with bacon, peppers, and onions. That sounds pretty good. I'm a big potato guy. Spaghetti with beef and sauce. Pasta with slow stewed beef and tomato sauce. They're both claiming to be inspected and passed by the Department of Agriculture, which we know the government never messes up, so what could go wrong with that? They have the fill line here because it says it heats with any liquid. I'm pretty sure that's a bold statement because I know somebody out there is probably going to try and urinate in this thing and cook with it, but I'm not doing that. So anyway, guys, I'm going to be trying the spaghetti today because it's almost lunchtime for me. So just looking at the front here, it says it's high in protein, a good source of calcium, and a good source of vitamins A and C. The picture of the food actually doesn't look too bad, but we'll get into that. It's got a steam vent hole right here for the water activated heating element. So contents of the pouch are the actual bag itself, the food pouch, the heating element, and utensils. The expiration date on this one is 9/16 of 2022. I bought this just a couple days ago, so it's about a 3-year shelf life. And then the ingredients here, nothing looks too crazy in it. Kind of looks like something from Chef Boyardee. Let's see. Yeah, it says 1 serving, and servings per container, 290 calories. That's not really a whole lot in an emergency situation, 290 calories. 12 grams of fat, 5 grams of saturated fat, 20 milligrams of cholesterol, 640 milligrams of sodium, 24 carbohydrates with 2 grams of dietary fibers, 7 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of protein. 10% of vitamin A, 10% of calcium, 40% of vitamin C, and 15% iron. Now, these are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Yeah, in a survival situation, your calorie needs are going to vary greatly, but generally in a survival situation or an emergency situation, the more calories, the better. You're not going to be worrying about your summer body whenever you're in a really shitty situation. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this sucker opened up here. So that comes off. Just going to throw that over there. This is my first time ever dealing with any of these, so I'm kind of curious. Yeah, these are really reminiscent of like the old school MREs. Well, not even old school, it's still the same shit. But got a nice little bag here. It's even printed on the bag what it is, in case you rat pack it. It's got the heating element in like what reminds me of like a hotel coffee pouch, you know, like for those coffee machines in a hotel room. And then you got a spoon and a napkin and salt and pepper, it looks like. Interesting. All right. So just to make sure I'm not a complete idiot, I'm going to read the instructions again. Open it, remove all the contents, tear open the heating element, and place in the Omeals bag and insert food pouch. Okie doke. Oh, yeah, that's actually a pretty good sized heating element right there. Still very similar to the MREs in my opinion. So then it says insert the food pouch. Yes, I will do that. Oh, don't you love that crinkling plastic ASMR? Sexy. All right, Shazam. And then fill with 3 to 5 ounces of any liquid to fill line and seal bag. Let steam and heat for 5 minutes. Or 3 to 5 minutes, I'm sorry. I can't read. Alright, got some Ozarka water here. Nothing but the best. So, now, I'm gonna set this sucker off to the side for 3 to 5 minutes. Oof, there we go. Nice. Ooh. Can you hear that? Holy shit, that sucker. Oh, look at that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I will say that this is this heating element is working a little bit better than like the regular MRE one right off the bat. That was already more fun. Anyway, guys, I will see you back here in about well, like a second for you, but then like 5 minutes for me. All right, guys, it's been a couple minutes. I'm feeling pretty warm in the plastic here. It was really steaming up pretty good earlier. I got a little water. Sign there. Give it a good mix up. All right. All right, let's see how this is. That actually opened up pretty cleanly. Let's try their spoon out here. Yeah, spoon seems all right. Probably get the job done. It's just spaghetti. Let's see, first impressions. Yeah, kind of looks like spaghetti. Smells like MRE spaghetti. Tastes like MRE spaghetti. I mean, it's not bad. Despite the amount of sodium that's in there, I'm not really tasting a whole lot of salt. Probably more because it's like being used as a preservative instead of a flavor enhancer. Let's see what we got here. Try the salt and pepper out. Yeah, it's yeah, it definitely tastes a lot like the MRE spaghetti meat sauce. But nothing wrong with it. I actually kind of like that one. All right, let's see what kind of difference that made. Yeah, a little better. I mean, overall, not bad, but I think for that price range, like I said, these are about like $11 to $12 a piece. Well, I mean, you can get a 6-pack for like $50. I think I would, yeah, I'd probably still go with the mil-spec MRE. It tastes about the same. With the MRE, I really feel like you get a lot more. Oh yeah, they got a whole case here for 88, and was that usually 12 in there? Let's see. I'm still gonna eat it though. It's pretty good. Yeah, 28 pack date, or 2018 pack date. 12 different meals. These are good for like 7 to 8 years. I mean, they say 2021, but I've had some longer after that, and they're still fun. I would still go with an MRE. You get a lot more. You get a side dish, you get condiments, you get the heating element, you get generally some hot sauce, cookies, you know, shit like that. Yeah, just go with the military one. I was hoping flavor-wise this would be better. I mean, it's not bad, but I was hoping it would be of a higher quality than the actual military MRE. Well, anyway, guys, hope this review helps a little bit. And if you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and leave a like or subscribe or comment, whatever the hell you want. I don't care. I guess I'll just continue to abuse my body with stuff like this until I find something that works. So, appreciate you guys hanging in there with me and spend some time with me today. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and stay safe out there. And you know, have a better lunch than this.